Welcome back, my dear students. In our previous session, we discussed about molecules, pure substances, and about mixtures. Do you all remember that? Yes, very good. So, we know that molecules are the smallest particle of a substance that possess all the properties of that substance. Pure substance are substance that contains only one type of molecules. And what about mixtures? Yes, mixtures are substances that contain more than one type of molecules. Today we are going to discuss about the types of mixtures and their examples. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. If a mixture exhibits the same property throughout that mixture, it is called homogeneous mixtures. Once again, students, listen. If a mixture exhibits the same property throughout that mixture, it is called homogeneous mixture. Sugar solution, salt solution, etc. are some of the examples of homogeneous mixtures.
Haven't you observed the solution of chalk powder in water? Are the chalk particles distributed uniformly in the mixture?
No, such type of mixtures are called heterogeneous mixtures. If a mixture exhibits the different property in different parts of that, it is called heterogeneous mixture. If a mixture exhibits the different property in different parts of that mixture, it is called heterogeneous mixture. Next, we are going to discuss about different types of solution. Do you know about solutions? When one substance dissolved into another, a solution is formed. Solute is the substance that is being dissolved, and the solvent is the dissolving medium. Solute and solvent combine to form a solution. Most of the solutions that we use are those in which a solid substance is dissolved in a liquid, but solutions do not exist in the liquid state. Solution also exists in solid and gaseous state. Here is a table shows the solution and the particle it consists. The first solution given is brass and the constituent particles are zinc and copper. Here solid dissolved in solid. The next one is soda. Water and carbon dioxide are the constituent particle. Here liquid dissolved in gas. Water dissolved in gas to form soda. The next one is glycerin dissolved in water. The constituent particles are glycerin and water. Here liquid dissolved in liquid. The next one is air. We know that the air we breathe is a solution. Nitrogen makes up the largest portion of air. So nitrogen is the solvent here. Other gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. are solutes. So here gas dissolved in gas to form the solution air. So students, today we discussed about the different types of mixtures, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures, and also we discussed about solution, solvent and solute and the characteristics of solutions. Study it well. See you on the next class. Thank you.